Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to talk about few emotions. Yes, few emotions which hamper your health, which hamper your digestion for that matter. We always neglect these kind of attitudes in our life जो हमारे शरीर को, जो हमारे डाइजेशन को, जो हमारे हेल्थ को कोई ना कोई वे में नुकसान पहुंचा रही है. These emotions have been told in Ayurveda जो फ्रॉम सालों से जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं या डाइजेशन की इश्यूज होती हैं या यू हैव एसिडिटी प्रॉब्लम या एनीथिंग फॉर दैट मैटर एंड वी हैव बीन टेकिंग मेडिसिन रेगुलरली एंड देयर इज़ नो रिलीफ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. सो तब प्लीज़ डू थिंक अबाउट दीज इमोशंस व्हाट आई थिंक अननोइंगली आप एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो, unknowingly you are regularly torturing yourselves with these kind of emotions जो हमारे हेल्थ को, हमारे डाइजेशन को मेनली नुकसान करती हैं. In Ayurveda it is told these 5 emotions always you'll have to take care जो हमारे हेल्थ को नुकसान करती हैं, हमारे दोषास को इम्बैलेंस करती हैं. In turn it is told in the science के because of this imbalance there is secretion of negative hormones. Cortisols are secreted which are hampering your health, your liver, your kidneys, your skin, your digestion, your hair. बहुत सारी problems pile up and we will not have any answer for that कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. Instead of taking medicines, think about it कि are we controlling our emotions, are we taking care of our mind, of our peace, of our well-being for that matter. So first of all, in Ayurveda it is mentioned there is a shloka which shows importance for these 5 emotions which we have to keep ourselves away from. एक है चिंता, शोका, भया, क्रोध, दुख और शय्या प्रजाग्रही. That is चिंता. चिंता first of all is grief. Grief is सोचते रहते हो आपके क्या होने वाला है, क्या होगा, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, क्यों हो रहा है. शायद इन्होंने ऐसे बोला तो आई हैव यू इंटरप्रेट इट इन डिफरेंट वे. ये क्यों हो रहा है. दैट सैडनेस, दैट ग्रीफ, जो दुख होता है उसको आप अवॉइड करो. इट इज़ नॉट इन योर हैंड्स टू ups and downs जो होती हैं लाइफ में, to overcome that, to maintain that peace in your head, in your mind. It is very much necessary to control these emotions which is चिंता and दुख जो कहते हैं. जो दुख होता है, परेशानियाँ होती हैं, डिप्रेशन में चला जाता है इंसान. सो ऑलवेज टेक केयर, ऑलवेज टॉक टू समबडी. अगर कोई भी चिंता की बात हो या कोई भी दुख हो लाइफ में, यू नीड टू talk to somebody and sort out your issues. नहीं तो आप you'll be overstressed, overthinking and in turn causing harm and imbalance to your body. Second one is शोक. शोक मतलब grief. Always sitting and grieving about few things. If any death happens in the family, any accident or any kind of issues, you sit and grieve about it. सोचते रहते हो कि यार ये क्या हो गया, ये क्यों हो गया. It's not in your hands, so relax. I mean दुख होता है if somebody goes off या कुछ, but there is a limit for everything. You can't get carried away with that emotion or with that situation and not think about the future, right? So third one is talking about bhaya, fear. कि अगर ऐसा हो तो क्या होगा, अगर वैसा हो तो क्या होगा. That tension, that unrelaxed mind, that fear you have कि what will happen if it happens this way, what will happen if this XYZ things happen with me. So there is no point thinking and having grief and fear about it. So always keep calm, keep yourself relaxed and talk to somebody or do some meditation. All these works, all these kind of practices help in getting your emotion in track. And fourth one is krodh. Krodh jo hota hai, that is very harmful, as many say. Anger which unwantingly it comes off, and it's just the reaction to any situation. We need to calm down, we need to be in peace, we need to think before talking, and before showing your emotion of anger. Gussa is very instant hota hai, but its reaction stays for long, forever. uh, in fact, to the person whom जिस पे आप गुस्सा कर रहे हो, and also जो गुस्सा कर रहा है अपने पे, आपकी बॉडी अफेक्ट हो रही है, आपका ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है, you have your rhythms, your pulses going up and down. So always take care कि गुस्सा ना करें. Drink a glass of water, or meditate, or just move out of that situation, move out of that present thing what is happening. Yes, it is tough to do, but if you need to calm down, give some relax yourself, relax your mind. We need to do all these things. And fourth is dukh, जैसे मैंने बताया था. Fifth one, दुख से क्या होता है, sadness होती है, grief होता है, grief से depression होता है, then you start overthinking, then you start reacting in a very different way to the situations. And lastly, which is sleep deprived होते हैं, which when you're not sleeping well, when you are awake late night, or because of this is all correlated. कोई भी situation आती है which is unwanted situation होती है, unexpected situation होती है, then we start reacting, then we start overthinking, then we overthink, then there is sadness, there is grief. That is because कि आपकी तरह, which the way you wanted, वो चीज़ नहीं हो रही है, you start thinking negatively. So avoid doing all these getting all these negative thoughts in your mind, because Ayurveda strongly believes ये चिंता, दुख, भय, क्रोध और निद्रा पूरी तरह नहीं होना, all these issues causes imbalance in your tridoshas and tridoshas of the mind also, sattva, rajas and tamas. So relax yourself, do anything which helps you calm you down, like listening to music, or going anything, good sleep, a good massage, a good head massage to relax you down. There are many ways to relax. Talk it out. कोई भी depression हो, or any kind of anxiety is there, anything, talk to any person who comforts you, whom you like their company. And yes, there are many ways to take care. And कभी भी अब long time कोई भी disease हो, जैसे digestion में problem हो, skin problems हो, या hormonal imbalance, so think about these emotions first. Are you too much attached to these emotions? And try to get rid of them, and try to control yourself. And yes, stay calm. Have a nice day.